Well, welcome back to the shop. This is our 5K giveaway.
6.
It's our 6? This is our 6K giveaway. Things are moving pretty fast. I can't keep up. We had 137 entries into this 6K giveaway. Now compared to our 5K giveaway, we had 65, I think, entries or something like that. So over doubled already. And we've already gotten, the time of this filming, 6,500 and something subscribers. So I want to say welcome to all of our new subscribers and thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button. And every 1,000 subscribers is just a chance for me to give back to you guys for being faithful to me and our channel and what we do here. 2 days ago, a member and subscriber sent me a suggestion, said, hey, this was pretty funny in your video, why don't you make a short out of it? So I did. Didn't think nothing about it. Well, it blew up. Now, I don't know what viral is. Pretty sure that viral is different for different content creators. But I woke up this morning and the short, after 2 days, is at over 200,000 views. 10 seconds of me just being silly, and that's crazy. So if there's a lot of you new folks on here, thank you for viewing the short and then going over to my channel and subscribing. It really means a lot to me. What are we giving away? There's 6 things and you get a choice. So if your name is drawn and you win, you get a choice of what you want. I offer these really nice Richardson's 112 hats. So they come in either the gray with the black mesh on the back, snapbacks with the black patch, or they come in the solid black with the black mesh, snapback, and the black patch. When I'm working, I wear usually one of these. When I go out in town, I wear one of these. You know, we also have these nice patches that a lady at church makes. They're really nice to sew on. These are the same patches I put on all my shirts, my vests, jackets, all that stuff. So you can have one of these, or you can get you a t-shirt. So the front logo on the front, and then the rear logo on the back. Now, we had some shirts made and they forgot to put Hartsville, Tennessee under it. So I have some shirts that have the Hartsville, Tennessee, and some shirts that just have my logo. So it really depends on what size you order, if you get some of the old stock or the new stock. We've corrected that issue, but unfortunately we didn't realize it till we got the shirts in. I didn't proof it good enough. So I have Miss Vanna White here, my wife, off in the corner. She doesn't want to be filmed, but she's going to be pushing the button for our winners. So we're going to draw 6 names, and then you reach out to me on this email right down here and tell me what you want and give me your username and then your name and address, what you want, and if it's a shirt, the size you want, and then we'll mail those out. So thank you guys so much, and gals, for all of you that entered in to win. And here, probably before long, we're going to be doing a 7K. Now, I'm going to do that till we get to 10K. And then when we get to 10K, we're going to do something big. I'm still working on the legalities of giving away a motorcycle. So maybe by 10K, we'll be giving something away pretty cool. All right, enough jawing. Let's get to drawing. That'd make a good slogan on a t-shirt. All right, the first winner. I don't hear any music. I don't hear any clicking. Do you? Mm-mm. All right, Christy Sanders, congratulations to you. You have won either a hat or a patch or a shirt. Your choice. Just reach out and let me know. All right, number 2. Yeah, go ahead and try to turn it up if we got volume. I don't know why we don't have volume. Is the silent thing on? All right, well, let's just roll with it. I'll do two. Ding. Sorry. Second winner is Chris Johnson -R1B. Oh, I have my Bluetooth connected, so there we go. I can actually turn that down a little bit. Congratulations to you. Reach out to me via email. Our third winner, all right, there's the little spinny thing. Our third winner is Dale Cloud at CF Crafting. Congratulations to you. This is fun. I like giving away stuff. All right, our fourth winner. Ken A2. Congratulations to you. We're on our fifth one now. Oh, 2 more to go. Are you going to win? I don't know. Our fifth winner is Anthony WX4PE. Congratulations to you, and we have one more winner. And it is Black Hog Garage. So congratulations to all of our winners. Again, reach out to me in this email right here and give me your username, your name and address, and if you have if you want a shirt, your shirt size, and we'll get those things out to you absolutely free to you, just a way to give back. So thank you guys so much. The 1982 Shovelhead FXR, I'm shooting part 2 on that now. It is coming along amazingly. It's coming together exactly like I wanted it. I think it's going to be a sweet ride for somebody. A lot of folks have asked, is it going to be for sale? Yes, but you're going to have to pry it out of my hands. It's a nice riding bike, but yes, it is for sale because we got to buy more projects and do more fun things. And then we're going to be, hopefully by 10K, giving a bike away. Before I go, we're on our next live event in June. We do a live every month. We're going to do something new, something special. We are actually going to have a live bike show. And I'll be sending out a video of that, of how to enter into that live bike show. And I am going to build some custom awards to give out the first place, second place, and third place, whoever wins our live event bike show. And I'm going to let me and my family judge the bikes. So our kids are going to judge, my wife's going to judge, so I don't, it could be the bike that's, got the smallest front wheel or something. I don't know how the judging is going to go. It's definitely not going to be judged like it's judged at most car shows. My panhead Lucy has never won any awards because I never wash her. So, that's the first thing on the checklist. Is it clean? No, then I go to the bottom of the list. But anyway, that's coming up, so be looking for that video. Thank you guys so much for all your support and the kind comments that I get, the encouragement, the feedback, the ideas for bikes, everything that you guys do. I really have the best YouTube family out of any content creator on YouTube, and it's because of you folks. So thank you so much, and please tell your mama now I said hi.